Hey guys, this is Nate Jackson, and most of you know me from my sales of the software that I created, FB Virtual Assistant. And I do a lot of different types of advertising. Most of my sales come from my affiliates. Of course, I market it on Facebook. Well, I actually started playing around last month with testing out some YouTube advertising using their YouTube video ads. And I wanted to kind of show you the results that I've been able to get with this method that's not widely known. I've been just kind of testing it out, so I haven't been spending a lot of money on YouTube yet because I wanted to test out this technique. But so far, I'll show you how I've been able to get about over 700% return on investment from the dollars that I've been spending on YouTube advertising, just through a test campaign that I ran for the past 30 days. Okay, so as you see here, I have a campaign called a 30-second ad placement, and the budget on that is $69.85 a day. In 30 days, I've actually only spent about $81.90 because it's so targeted, but it's very high converting. As you see here, I spent $81.90 in the past 30 days, and of that, I've had about a 13.94 click-through rate, which means nothing to you, but I got 13 conversions out of $81.90. And that's pretty significant. I've gotten, if you know my software, I sell 3 different license packages of FB Virtual Assistant. I sell the enterprise license, which is $197. I got one of those sales. So right now I've already doubled my money just from that one sale, more than double. I sell a professional license for $127. I've sold 6 standard licenses, which is $77. And I got 5 people to download the demo, which is basically a lead, which has a good chance of leading to further sales. So all of that for $81.90 in advertising on YouTube videos. And so what does that amount to? Well, that walk you through that. A standard sale, a standard license, I sell for $77. And after my fees to JVZoo and my fees to PayPal, I net about $69.85. And so that comes to, for 6 licenses, $419.10. For the professional license, I net about $115.40, and I got one of those sales. And for the enterprise license, I net about $181, and I got one of those sales. So add this all up, I sold $715.64 in product from spending $81.90 in advertising on a test campaign. And this is just one, like I said, this is just one ad. I have a lot of other campaigns that generate a lot more for me, but just this one campaign. And so we're going to walk through what this is. So we're going to do a little bit of math here for you. So $715.64 minus $81.90, that comes to $633.74 in profit. And we divide that by our investment of $81.90. That comes to 7.73, which is 773% return on investment. So basically, I'm putting $1 into a machine, and I'm getting $7.73 out every time I put $1 into that machine. Now that, folks, that's a great return, and I want to share with you how I've been able to do that. So let's go a little bit into here. I have going to go into the campaign, and I have one ad in this campaign. This is one video. You see here, these are basically the same numbers. Total conversion value $715.64. 13 converted views, which is 13 conversions. I got 621 views total on the ad, and of those 621 views, I got 377 clicks to my website. And so that's about a 50% click rate to view rate. Actually, it's a little bit better than that. And so at 13.94% overall click rate, which is the clicks divided by the number of impressions, which the impressions aren't shown here, but I can show those also really quickly. So the impressions are let's go back to default. I'm messing it. Okay, so impressions, 2,705 impressions and 377 clicks. So yeah, that's right. That's about a 13-14% click-through rate. So anyway, the way that I've been able to generate such a high return is because of the way that, well, first I'll tell you exactly the type of ad that I'm running. YouTube has 3 different types of ads that you can run. You can run an in-search ad, and what an in-search ad is, it's a banner or a thumbnail that appears in the search results when someone types a search into YouTube, and you have the paid ads at the top of the search results, and that's called an in-stream ad. I mean, excuse me, that's called an in-search ad when you have your ad at the top of a list of search results. So you have the in-display ads, which is basically the same type of thumbnail, but instead of showing in search results, it's showing on the sidebar where the related videos are. You'll have your ad at the top of the related videos. That's called an in-display ad. And then the third type is an in-stream ad. And these are the ads that you're familiar with when you start a video and before you see the video that you want to see, you see the video in the beginning that you can skip ad. Well, my whole campaign has been in-stream ads, okay? So the key to me being able to get the conversions that I've been able to get for so little money is because of the type. I've been running only in-stream ads, and it's because of the targeting that I've been using for those ads. There's all different kinds of ways to target on YouTube, but I chose one specific way to target my ads, and that's using the placements method. So I'm going to kind of walk you through that, what that is and how that's worked for me. I've been able to identify the exact videos that my ad needs to appear on for the highest conversion rate. Because what I've been able to basically do is hijack my competitors' traffic and find very, very related videos that are related to. I'm not targeting by demographics. I'm not targeting by location. I'm targeting strictly by videos, and I'm finding every single video that's related to the type of search that someone who would be interested in my product would be interested in, and placing my video ad on those videos, on only those videos. So there's no wasted spending on unrelated videos. There's no wasted spending on having ads show up in places where people who are interested in what you're selling are not going to be. So there's no wasted spending. I'm only placing my ad on videos that are absolutely related to what my product and what I'm selling is. And I'm going to show you exactly how I've been able to do that. Now, the way that I've been able to do this is through this tool that I've created that allows you to hijack, to spy on your competitors and basically hijack their traffic. I want you to think about this concept. The first page of YouTube has space for 20 videos. Well, instead of you trying to spending a lot of time trying to rank your video on that first page of YouTube, wouldn't it be easier to just place your video in the front of the videos that are getting the most traffic, and having your video play at the beginning of those videos by knowing what videos are showing up for the different search results? And instead of just the first 20 videos, how about if your video would play on all the related videos once somebody actually clicks one of those links and starts watching those videos, that video that shows up on the first page of the results? So I've been able to create a tool. As you know, I'm all about automation. So I created a tool that allows you to download the URLs for all of the videos that YouTube returns in their search results for a particular keyword. And once you have those videos, you can take those and make those videos the placements that you want your video ad to show up on, so that your the traffic to your ad is very targeted, because these are the same videos that show up for the search results that someone who's searching for whatever you're selling is entering into the YouTube keyword tool. So I call my software the YSpy Video Research Tool. And with the YSpy Video Research Tool, we have a few modules here. We have the Video Finder module that allows you to input a keyword search into YouTube, download all the results, all the videos that show up for that keyword, the URLs, the video name, the channel that the video shows up, the number of views that each video has. You can also get the tags that the video creator placed on those videos. So basically, those are keywords, or you know what the tags are, but they're something that you can't just get from looking at the video because it's not shown. You can also sort your results either by the way that they appear in the search results, or you can sort your results by view count, from highest view count to lowest view count. And so you have the video finder, you have the channel finder, which is similar to the video finder, but it allows you to search for channels that pertain to your target market. You can also, if you have a list of videos that you're interested in emulating, you can just upload a list of videos and get the video tags just by uploading the URLs. And you can also preview any videos or channels with the preview function. And I'll probably create a few separate videos to show how each of those works. But you can preview videos and then create a list. You can kind of pare down your list to only the videos that you want to add to your target placements. So let's walk through how this video finder works first. So let's say, for example, you're in the dog training market, and maybe you sell, you're an affiliate for a company that sells dog training videos, or you're an affiliate for a company that sells dog training crates, or you sell your own dog training videos or dog training crates or leashes or chew toys or whatever. And you want to get your video ad placed on the videos that are related to dog training tools or dog training tips, where you can take the YSpy Video Research Tool and you just type in, let's say, for example, dog training videos. So that would emulate what someone is typing into the YouTube search bar. And so we're going to, you can sort it by view count, but we're going to let it just sort by default. So the top 10 results would be the top 10 results someone would, the top 20 results someone would see if they were actually searching on YouTube. So the results are going to, in your output, is going to appear in the same way that would appear if you were searching on YouTube. And we're not going to get the tags. I'm going to show you how we can do that in a separate video. So we're searching for dog training videos, and we just click start. And so it's going to start running. So you see here, status finding videos, and it's initializing. It's going to just go through all of the search results that appear as they appear on YouTube. So it's going to pull up the first page of results here in just a second, and then it's going to go through all the pages of results that YouTube will return. And typically, YouTube is going to return about 30 to 35 pages of results before it shuts down. You see here, it's going through all the results and it's downloading all of the video. So I'll actually show you what it's doing while it's doing it. So we go and we open this folder. There's a folder, and as soon as it opens, I'm on my laptop, so it runs a little bit slower than my desktop. But so it's created a file here called dog training videos, and you see that it's being updated. Today's September 13th. So the size is being updated as it's running. Right now it's 22 kilobytes, 25 kilobytes. So it's saving all the output to this file. Now how about if you sell dog training videos and you can place your video ad on all of the videos that pertain to dog training videos? I mean, doesn't that just make sense that people who are watching dog training videos would be interested in purchasing something from a well-placed and well-written video ad, well-produced video ad. Well, the YSpy Video Research Tool allows you to do just that by finding all of the videos that pertain to dog training videos, and then you can take those URLs and go back to your video ad campaign and make those videos the placements where you want your video ad for dog training tools to show up. And you can do that for videos. You can also do that for channels. So if you wanted your video ad to appear on a channel that pertains to dog training and have it appear on every video on that channel, you can also do that by downloading the channels and making the channels your placement. So instead of having it appear on just the one video, you can have it appear on every video on the channel. And the way that the YouTube search results work is typically, like I said, that it only returns, you see it says 630,000 results, but YouTube is only going to get you to about 30 or 35 pages. And in there, somewhere in their documentation, it says that they only return about 1,000 results for any one search. It doesn't go deeper than 50 pages. Well, in actuality, it'll go to about between 32 and 37. And when it gets to the last page, you'll see what the actual number of video results that will return here. You'll see that here. And so this is YouTube, and it's going to update when it stops returning, and the done alert is going to pop up here. So once we do that and the program stops running, I'm going to show you the results that we get. And this is a product that I just created, and I'm making it available for you. So see, we're on the last page here now. So it says page 34 of about 679 results, and it's done finding videos. So we click that, and in my documents, YTVS videos. So we go there. We're in the documents YTVS videos, and we go to the dog training videos file. And as always, using my favorite free spreadsheet software, which is OfficeCalc. We're going to open that in OfficeCalc and see exactly what we get for these dog training videos. I'm on my laptop, so like I said, it runs a little bit slower. I apologize for that. But we're going to open with OfficeCalc. And here it is. It's importing. You want to set it to character set Unicode UTF-8 and language English from row 1, separated by comma. And when you open that, you're going to get the URL of all the videos that we just scanned through. We got 681 results, and let's see, we got the URL, you get the video title, Stop Dog Leash Pulling, Dog Training, Philosophy of Dog Training 101, How to Teach Dogs to Stop Barking. We get the number of views for each video. You get the video age. You get the video channel name. You get the video channel URL, and just a reiteration of the keyword. So you get all that. Now, what you can do with these video URLs, you can take all these video URLs and then just copy them. And when you're creating an ad, just like I did, let's go back here to the YouTube ads, and you can add more placements to your videos, to your ads. So you just click on the placements button, and then a box is going to pop up. See if I can bring it up here. Apologize for the slowness in my laptop. But you click the placements button, and then you can just copy and paste those URLs into the box, and then add all those videos into your see this box here. You would just copy and paste all those videos, and then you click the add all, and it would add all those videos would be the only places where your video ad would appear. So you can be extremely targeted in where your video ads are placed. And this is how you hijack your competitors' traffic. So I'm not going to do that because this has nothing to do with dog training, my ad. So, but that's in a sense how it works. And you can do the same thing for channels. You can use the channel finder to run the same search, but only find only the channels that are pertaining to a keyword. And then you also have, I put a preview feature in here, and I'll kind of show you how that works. So we click preview, and let's say, for example, you don't want to have your video placed on all of the results that you found with the video finder or the channel finder by default, but you want to just refine your list down a little bit more, but you don't want to have to copy and paste all of those URLs one by one from your spreadsheet back and forth to your browser. You just want to be able to view all of the, you want to do it a lot faster and just view all of the, I built into the program where you can view all of the URLs one by one into the interface, so you don't have to do all that copy and pasting back and forth. So let's show you how that works. So let's go, you go to upload URLs, and you pick the file that you just created. So in this case, we're going to pick dog training videos. And you also want to save the new list that you're going to create. So we're going to put that in the previews folder and just call it dog training ad.txt. And so once we do that, we click load list, and it's going to load all of the videos that we just found, and you're going to be able to navigate one by one using the next and the previous button, and the add to list button will allow you to create a new list of videos that you want to include in your list of placements. So it goes to the first video. As you see right here, there's a 596 videos in the list that we just uploaded, and that's because it deletes the duplicates, because sometimes in the search results you'll have duplicate videos. So if you decide that you want to place your ad on this video, and when you do that, it's going to create, that's going to be the first result in that file, dogtrainingad.txt. And so if you decide that you don't want to go to take this next video and place an ad on it, you can just click next, and it'll go to the next video. And if you decide you do want to place your ad on this video, click add to list, and it'll add to that list. So we've gone through 3 videos, and we've added 2. So now we're on the 4th video out of 596. So this one, you see it's showing ads because we have an ad showing right here. And if we wanted to have our video show on this, our ad show on this video, just click add to list, and it's going to add that video to the list of URLs that we're going to place our video ad. So I'm going to stop it right here. I think you have a good idea of how that works. And if you don't want to, you can just navigate, go to next, go to the previous video if you want. And also, it's built in, so if you find another video on the sidebar, let's say we go to one of these videos and then go to this video, we can actually add this video to the list, and it's in the list of related videos. We can add that video to the list, and once you do that, then it'll go right back into the sequence where we left off, so you don't really lose your spot. So that's how the preview function works. And now I'm going to show you how the get video tags feature works. So since we didn't use the video finder, when we used the video finder the first time, we didn't get the video tags. If you recall, that's an option here. We check it or uncheck it. It runs a little bit slower when you get the video tag, so I decided to not show that now. But let's say you had some videos and you decided you wanted to go back and get those video tags. So you can click the get video tags button, and then just upload your list of URLs, which is in this case the dog training. Sorry, we got to go to the videos folder and click the dog training videos add, and click yes. The dog training videos file. I get tongue-tied sometimes, folks. Sorry, but this is all real time. So we click get video tags and click upload video URLs, and then just click the play button, and it's going to go one by one to all these videos, navigate for you and get the video tags and add them to our original file. You see, it's just going to go here and it's going to get all the video tags. You just sit back, and now you'll have a good idea when you're creating your videos what tags you should add to your videos, because YouTube has taken away the ability for you to see what tags are associated with the video. Well, my program allows you to get that functionality back, and our file is going to be updated with a new column called tags. So that's the basic gist of how the program works. Once this is completed, it has about 596, I guess, to go to. But once this is completed, I'm going to show you how we get the tags in the video. So I just created this product, and I'm launching this product. Eventually, the price is going to be $47 for the product, but as a special launch special, I'm going to let you have it for $27, and that gets you a dual license capability, so you can actually install it on two computers. So you can have one for your laptop, one for your desktop, and it's going to be restricted to just two computers. But that's typically what most people need to do their video research. So I think it's a fair price. Testing it out right now, and I'm going to come back when the software stops getting the tags, and show you exactly what that looks like. So I'm just going to fast forward through this and come back when the software is done and show you what the tags column looks like. Okay, so we're done getting the tags for our dog training videos file. So let's see what it looks like. So we're going to go over to our folder, dog training videos.txt. We right click open with open OfficeCalc, and so now this file is going to be augmented with the tags. Since we didn't get the tags when we first pulled our videos, now it's going to have the tags added. So we just shrink this down a little bit, shrink this down. This is all the same information. I guess I'll just scroll over here to the right. So now we have a column called tags. So for each video, let's see, we scroll all the way down, and we have tags down to result number 681. And so we have tags here. So stop dog leash pulling, stop leash pulling, dog leash pulling, dog training, dog, comma, training, comma, how, comma, to. See, this is not a really good tag to use, but it's still there. So how to train a dog, the basics, sit, lie down, lay down, leave it. So we have all of the tags for all of these videos. And like I said, if you go to a video nowadays on YouTube, there used to be a time where the tags were visible, but that's no longer the case. So getting the tags is you have to do a little bit of work to actually get the tags for a video. So my program does that for you. I'm going to have a link down here where you can purchase the software. I'm just releasing it this week. This week we're starting off the week of September 14th. Was Sunday. Today's the 15th, and I'm going to go ahead and release it initially at $27, and that gets you the ability to install it on two computers. And then once this launch is over, then the price is going to go up to $47. But right now you have a chance to get it for $27. There's going to be a link below, and I guess that's really about it. You've seen what the program can do and how it can benefit you, and I think it kind of speaks for itself. So you have to ask yourself, if you had the ability to spy on your competitors, hijack their traffic, get their tags, and place your videos as ads in front of their videos, all of the videos that appear for a keyword that you're targeting, how much is that worth to you? I've shown you how I was able to get a 773% return on investment on my own ad by doing exactly what I was showing you how to do. So I think that's a good place to start. But that's not something that you want to do by hand, because for any one keyword, you're going to have about 600 to 700 videos that show up for that keyword. How much time do you want to spend doing that, as opposed to having at it and running multiple keywords and doing other things while your computer is working for you? That's what I'm all about, is automation. So I'm getting kind of long-winded. I'm going to wrap it up. Click the link below and get your hands on the software. This is Nate Jackson signing out, and I'll talk to you soon.